Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the system language on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to tap the gear icon on your device to open up the settings menu. This is where you'll find all the customization options for your phone, including language preferences that control how your entire system displays text and menus. Once you're in settings, scroll down through the options until you find and tap on System. This section houses the core configuration settings for your device, including language controls, date and time settings, and other fundamental system preferences. Now, within the System menu, tap on Language and Region. This is the specific area where you can manage all language-related settings for your Pixel 8 Pro, allowing you to customize how your phone communicates with you and how it formats regional information like currency and dates. Here you'll see an option labeled Preferred Languages. This shows your current language setup. Directly under it, tap Add a Language to begin the process of introducing a new language to your system. This feature is particularly useful if you're multilingual or if you're learning a new language and want your device to help with immersion. After tapping Add a Language, you'll be presented with a comprehensive list of available languages. Browse through the options and choose the language you prefer, then tap it to select it. The Pixel 8 Pro supports a wide variety of languages from around the world, so you should have no trouble finding the one you need. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a region for that language. This is important because some languages have regional variations in spelling, vocabulary, and formatting. Select the appropriate region and tap it to confirm your choice. Now you'll see that your newly selected language has been added to your preferred languages list. However, it's not yet set as your primary system language. To make this change, simply tap the three dots next to the language you recently added. From the menu that appears, tap Move Up. This action will promote your chosen language to the top of the list, making it the default language for your entire system. A confirmation message will appear on your screen asking you to verify this change. This is an important safeguard to prevent accidental language switches that might make your device difficult to navigate. Tap Change to confirm, and your Pixel 8 Pro will immediately switch to displaying everything in your newly selected language. And that's it. Your system language has been successfully changed. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.